how to install the Material Manager version 3. It's honestly so easy, you cannot mess this up. So when you download the contents of the folder and extract it, you will have something like this, a README and a Material Manager folder. If you want, you can read this and do it manually, or if you're watching this video now, I guess you're going to follow along with how I'm doing it. There is two methods. So there's a recommended one, which I'll show you now, and there's also a manual one if the recommended one doesn't work. But let's go through both. So what you want to do is when you have this folder extracted, you actually want to go to your documents, Maya 2026, which is the version I'm using now, scripts. And in here, I want to copy the Material Manager folder and paste it in here. Now that that's done, what we can do is grab this. Hang on, let me remove this from the previous install. What you want to do is grab this mail file and drag it into Maya. And then what it will do is it will create a new tab called JonsTech and add a new icon there. And if it's done successfully, you'll get a little message saying it's done successfully. You can simply just click that and there you go. It's installed. Super, super easy to do. However, if you have any issues, you can manually install this. The same similar method applies. You want to extract everything into this folder, just like I've done here, but instead of dragging this into here, what you'd want to do instead, so if I delete this a second, what you want to do instead is open the README. There is a little script here, this, which we want to import. So go to the little script editor, create a new Python script, paste it in there. I'll remove the indents. Select it all, middle mouse click, drag, add it to the shelf of your choice. Then there's a bit more manual work. Edit, rename it to Material Manager version 3. Maybe you want a label here or not. If you do that, you can see it creates a little label at the top. And it's nice to have the icon. So if you go to folder, you can add in the icon, which is actually in here. So where we have the file saved. Save shelves, and there you go, that's installed manually. If you run that, it'll work. There you go, nice and easy. If you have any issues, you can feel free to contact me, to send me an email. All of the information is inside the README. Hope that helps. And if you like this, please leave feedback. Please leave a review. Anything like that would help. And I hope you enjoy using this in your projects in the future. Catch you soon in another video.